what is the difference between adjective and pronoun. That and therefrom we will start today. And as better you know, I'm going to start with the students. The next 4 and 5 features of the adjectives, like interrogative, number, suggestive, and thereafter sometimes demonstrative. Now you please look at these things, students. What are these core and why I have written each one? As much I know, I have told you just a few minutes before. अच्छा ये जो चार है, all these four we simple find in pronoun also. Okay, simple. All these four we find in pronoun also and in adjective also. So where is the difference? What kind of difference? So that day I had told you how to find out the difference between pronoun and adjective. Today we will continue with that point where I had stopped. So starting to this all, number. And in this one, students, suppose I had told you three numbers there. Okay, definite number, indefinite number, and distance. These four are there. So first, each, every, either, and neither. In that one, even in pronoun, we find the similar thing. So now, each student has a new pen. Suppose each has a new pen. Suppose, not supposing anything. There are two students. There are two examples. Okay, and the first one is each student has a pen. Next one is each has a pen. What will be the right answer? And if we are going through adjective, so which one of the sentence is a pure adjective here? Please tell me first. Any one of you. Will you please tell me which one is adjective here?
Sir, number 8.
Number 8 means sentence number 1. Anybody else? Anybody supporting B? Any one of you? No. First, one supported, and it was sentence number 1. Keep in your mind always, students, all the words, whether it is adjective, definite, indefinite, noun, distributive, numeral adjective, qualitative adjective, all the things, okay, चाहे कुछ भी हो, if they are being followed by noun, number, if they are being followed by noun, quality, if they are being followed by noun, distributive number, if they are followed by noun, only in that condition they are adjective. If they are used without any noun, so they are pronoun. Simple, students. Now see, each is being followed by student. So student is noun, that is why this one is called what? Adjective. See, each, there isn't any noun, simply what came there, helping verb. So this one is taking about what this is, students, this side it is what this is pronoun. One more thing you have to go and to see in your mind, each and every, listen students, adjective is your last chapter, I have told you in the last class also. So in this one, what the important section will come, I will tell you about how it actually adjective is a mastering chapter. Why it is called a mastering chapter, students? Because it comes after the two strong portion of the grammar, noun and pronoun. And if a student has completed noun and pronoun, you in the section, you in the class are right now, actually is not enough to go with the noun and pronoun. You will have to give much and more time to your noun and pronoun. But today we are discussing the topic in which way it will help you to know even noun and pronoun whole. So pay your attention. So this one I told you. Now another thing, each and every, both they are singular number, students. Why we are calling singular? We are calling singular. See, each written there. Okay. After each there is written what? Student. Student is there what? Singular. Yes. Singular is there. Okay. Next one is has. So you can see this one is singular. So singular verb. How we understand singular verb? Singular verb direct नहीं लिखा जाता, sh भी लिखा जाता है. Singular helping verb it is called, or singular main verb SMV. Okay. So both you have to keep in your mind, SHV or SMV. So now what means singular, students? They end with s or es. So s or es, whatever ends with as verb, they are singular. See, each student has a pen, has become singular. Now it will come in your mind, suppose if anybody has written each students, each student. अच्छा, सुनने में बड़ा अच्छा, गलत चीजें बहुत अच्छा लगता है सुनने में. गलत चीजें खाना खाओ, अब गलत खाना खाओ, कुछ भी मतलब बड़ा टेस्टी लगने वाला है आपको. तो जो भी चीजें गलत हो वो कहीं ना कहीं बड़ा मजेदार होता है, मुझे लगता है, मैं इस चीज को मानता हूँ. तो यू प्लीज थिंक दिस वन, you have to be much aware when you write any sentences. If you see simple, if you think that no sir this sentence is going to be very correct, so if it seems that no it's very easier, it is surely it is difficult and it is problemful, it is wrong maybe. So sometimes you should think. अच्छा, बहुत लोग बोलते हैं सर सुनने में बड़ा फिट हो रहा है, ऐसा बड़ा अच्छा लगता है सुनने. जो फिट हो, जो सुनने में अच्छा लगे, वो ग्रामर गलत है, वो सही नहीं है. ग्रामर मीन द सेंस द प्रॉपर सिंटैक्स टू बी फॉलोड, एंड द प्रॉपर सिंटैक्स इट मींस व्हाट? इट वाज सिंगुलर, वेल सिंगुलर. So each students is wrong. Each students have wrong. Why? Because each is singular word. Okay, so you have to keep this in your mind, students. Now the last topic I had stopped here, and with that I'm going to finish. After that I will tell you about the next thing, so please pay your attention on this. It was all about our last classes, students, huh? Whatever I had done in your last class, after that I'm going to tell you, so that all will tell you about the thing whatever you are going to feel. Simple. Two things we have done. Now we are going to tell you about the possessive adjectives. Okay, so after the possessive adjective, means possessive adjective, it will be very easier for you. Also good, because it's a nice chapter that you have seen in the last class I had told you. See, if somebody asks, what is the what the importance of this possessive adjectives in the class, in the topic of adjective, so there and that time you have to say them, because adjective, pronoun, all they stand with the word. Similarly, 1 second for that. And what is there? What is that for students? It actually will tell you some good important points. Possessive adjective and possessive pronoun, both are the important topic. What is the difference there from we will start? So let me go with you. Let me see any one of you, and therefrom I will write some questions. Please on your video, students. Yes. Okay. So the first student there whom I'm watching is Isha Pandey. Yes, Isha, but your video is now off. Tell me what is difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. Yes, Isha. Possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. Okay. Shravan, I have already told you, and it should not be repeated. If please on your video, we know we do not want to see you, but we simply want to see the situation in which you are taking the class, and all about these things. Okay, Palak Singh, do you know the difference between adjective and pronoun?
No, sir.
No, sure. Okay. Vivek Pandey, can you define it? Can you tell me the difference between these two things? Sakshi Srivastav.
Sir, I can tell.
Yes.
Sir, adjective describes noun, but pronoun is a type of noun.
That is okay. Difference between adjective and pronoun. You told me that. We are going to discuss possessive case. This is different form. This is unique. This is quite different. Okay. So now I have to know only the difference between these two things. What is adjective and pronoun? This one only. Okay, Sonakshi, can you tell me? Sonakshi Gupta. No. Oh, let's see now, students. I'm going to tell you. If there is no answer, there is one answer. So what I'm telling. This is possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. One and the most important thing is that possessive adjective can be subject and possessive pronoun cannot be subject. Any sentence can accept possessive adjective as subject, but this cannot be accepted as subject. Okay, next thing. It will be always used with noun. Plus का मतलब समझना used with noun. और here there is no use of noun. दो चीजें याद रखिएगा. आप कॉपी में कहीं मेंशन करते रहना, उससे ज्यादा बेहतर होगा कि दिमाग में मेंशन करते रहना, क्योंकि जो चीजें यहाँ लिखी जाती है उसे कॉपी या कहीं लिखने की जरूरत नहीं. ये ज्यादा ध्यान रखिएगा आप. So what two things I told you. Next I'm going to tell you. Wait now. Subject it will be. एक subject नहीं हो सकता. It will stand with noun. इसके साथ noun की जरूरत नहीं होती. तीसरी चीजें. This one never makes any subject as singular or plural. Means ये कभी भी किसी सब्जेक्ट को प्लस बाद में दे तो समझ जाइएगा मैं वर्ब की बात कर रहा हूँ. प्लस पहले दें समझ जाइएगा मैं उसके रिस्पॉन्स मतलब उसके एडजेक्टिव फॉर्म की बात कर रहा हूँ, यानी उसके यूज्ड विथ का बात कर रहा हूँ. दो चीजें याद रखिएगा. कॉमन चीजें, वेरी कॉमन थिंग्स आर. अगर किसी नाउन के किसी भी वर्ड के पहले प्लस लिखा हो तो समझ जाना यूज्ड विथ या फॉलोड विथ लिखा हुआ है. अगर प्लस बाद में लिखा हो तो समझ जाइएगा यहाँ पर इसके मेन वर्ब या हेल्पिंग वर्ब के रिलेशन के बारे में बात करी जा रही है. रिमेंबर दिस थिंग स्टूडेंट. So if subject as possession of adjective comes, then it cannot take helping verb or it cannot take main verb. So how main verb and helping verb will stand there, students? So simply after this word, means after possession adjective, whatever the noun will be used here, according to that helping verb and main verb will be used. Now, last minute and last topic from this side. First, second, third we have done. So now this side, students, in three case, and that is exception only. That is exception. Okay. So first, second, third. Now, what third, students? If the common thing, if the universal known thing is used with the possessive pronoun, then it can make subject. Like country, language, custom. थ्री थिंग्स बच्चा ध्यान रखिएगा। अगर मैं तीन चीज की बातें करूं, सपोज country, language and custom, if we are discussing about these three things, then simply they will be known as, they will be made the country as a subject. Now your question, your mind will ask the question, sir आपने जितनी भी diagrammatic forms बताया, something was there out of mind. So now please elaborate it once again. Now let me see students. Now I'm going to just skip out it one. Okay, and thereafter I'll tell you. So what is difference between, now again I'm going to start. Okay, possessive form, this is adjective and this is pronoun bacha. This is my, this is mine. What? You better know all the things. My, mine. My plus noun is equal to mine. You can remember like this. आप हमेशा हर चीज को ऐसे याद करिए. My plus noun is equal to mine. Our plus noun is equal to ours. Your plus noun is equal to yours. Rest you all better know. So no important is this. ये सारी चीजें होती हैं. Now possessive adjective is this. सबसे पहली बात कि ये पोजीशन है, इसका यूटिलाइज हम लोग कैसे करेंगे, कहाँ से लाएंगे, मैं बात करता हूँ सारी चीजों की ताकि आप समझ जाए. Students, where you find anything much difficult, write out some questions or take screenshot. You later on also you can ask, but first you have to take the screenshot. Only then you can be able to ask, na? So don't forget all these things. Okay, now see. My pen is as well as your pen. Yeah, I have written 3 sentences. Are you watching all these things? Is it looking all 3 sentences, students? Yes. Okay, tell me first, second, third, because in the last one class I have decided, I actually have told you something about this one. So tell me which one is right. Which one has a proper adjective? Which one the sentence is proper adjective and that
The
sentence?
third one. So third one.
Third one. Yes, third one. Someone is saying, answering. Who is this?
Sir, Shiv Sagar.
Shiv Sagar. Chaliye, Shiv Sagar is saying third one. Yes, anybody else?
Sir, first
Sagar,
one.
first one. Name, with name. Please tell me, with name.
Sir, Sakshi Srivastav.
Sakshi Srivastav. Sakshi Srivastav said,
Sir,
first.
third.
Yeah. Who is this?
Sir,
Sir,
third.
third.
Huh? No. First and second, leave. First and third now leave. Second one, anybody supporting? Anybody going with second sentence? Anyone? No. Leave them. If somebody has just chosen the answer, you cannot go with that. चलिए म्यूट करिए अपने आप को, मैं इस चीज को रिपीट नहीं कर सकता. Students now listen. Sakshi said कि sir first one is right. Shiv Sagar said second one is right. Nobody is with seconds. So now let me clear you. Okay. And you have time according timely. We have to see also 23 minutes now we have suffered. More we have done. So now let's see. SS means Sakshi was. My pen is as well as your pen. Sakshi, now you should listen and all with you. You and all with you. We have to take out only two things. ध्यान रखिएगा, एक सब्जेक्ट, दूसरा ऑब्जेक्ट. किसी भी चीज को आंसर करने से पहले उसके दो तीन चीजों पर ध्यान रखनी चाहिए. एक, उसका ओरिजिन कहाँ था, बना कैसे. सेकंड, इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, तो इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट इज कॉल्ड हेल्पिंग वर्ब और मेन वर्ब. दूसरा, एंडिंग पार्ट, ऑब्जेक्ट. तो जनरली वी हैव टू गो विद दैट. अच्छा, कई बार बच्चे क्या करते हैं, समटाइम्स यू व्हाट डू, यू डू नॉट सी एनीथिंग. आप सोचते हो सर ने पूछा सही या गलत, आप ढूंढने लगते हो गलत कहाँ है, चलो ढूंढो सेंटेंस में. यू डू नॉट डू वन थिंग, डू बच्चा वन थिंग डू. देखिए आपका ध्यान तुरंत मेरे ऊपर आएगा, मैं कॉमन सा बात करता हूँ. देखना जहां हम गलत होंगे ना वहां हमको रोकना है. ओके चलिए रेडी हो जाइए आप लोग. 1 2 3 4 5 7 8 9 10.
सर वहाँ
कहीं
6
गलत
होगा
है?
सर, 5 के बाद
सर वहाँ 6 नहीं
5
है.
के बाद 6.
होगा सर 6 होगा. आपके दिमाग में कैसे आया? क्योंकि आपको मालूम है सर 5 के बाद का सीरीज में तो 6 आपने छोड़ दिया, वो तो गलत हो गया. आपको ये चीज ध्यान रखना चाहिए था कि सर जब हम माई के बाद जाते हैं तो पेन सही है या नहीं, पेन के बाद जाते हैं तो ईज सही है या नहीं. ऐसे चलना सीखो, इंग्लिश में ऐसे लोग अच्छे बनेंगे, ऐसे सेंटेंसेस का क्रिएशन आपके दिमाग में अच्छा होगा, आप वहां स्ट्रांग बनोगे. गलतियां मत ढूंढो, स्टेप के अनुसार चलो कि ए के बाद बी सी डी एफ नहीं आएगा, ई आएगा. सो दिस वन यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. नाउ आई एम मेकिंग यू सी माई पेन. चलिए मैं इसे मिटा रहा हूँ, आते हैं पॉइंट पे. ओके, माई पेन इज बच्चा, लुक माई पेन. अब हम क्या बोले थे कि चलो मान लो एक और वन दिया मैंने, सपोज 1 और 2. अगेन हियर इज रिटन व्हाट, पेन. अगर इसे काम लें 1 2 3 2, अब सोचिए तो सही है.
और
मैं
सर
काउंटिंग 2 4 5 आएगा या 1 2 3 फिर 2 आएगा.
1 2 3 4 5.
See, now student, hereafter what is being done, what is being done, I told you, see after that one, this is what mine, this is what pen. Now what I had told you, what I had told you, remember, mine means possessive plus noun,
Noun.
possessive plus noun is mix, that is the mine.
Yes
तो
sir.
अब यहाँ ये मिक्स है ऑलरेडी, यहाँ पेन तो होगा नहीं, गलत. नेक्स्ट थिंग व्हाट आई हैड टोल्ड यू कि ये कभी सब्जेक्ट बन नहीं सकता, तो दिस वन इज रॉन्ग. बोथ वन आर रॉन्ग देयर. माइन कैन नॉट बी सब्जेक्ट. लुक माय वर्ड्स को ध्यान से सुनिए. कैन नॉट बी मतलब कभी नहीं बन सकता. माइन विल बी my, only then it would be right. My pen is as well as, now again here wrong, it will be yours. Next and the last sentence, my pen is as well as yours, this sentence is correct. So the one student was correct and it was Shiv Sagar. Next, this was your possessive students, possessive adjective. Okay bacha, differences I told you now. Again I will tell you one thing, how we will make the form, how we will form the correct possessive adjective, correct one. Sometime in many classes it is given. Chaliye. The cow हैज द नहीं होगा, काउ हैज हर ऑन इंटेलिजेंस। चलिए ध्यान रखिए, ऑप्शन हर, चलो मैं यहां रखता हूं, बी once, C eats, D there, E नोटा। चलिए नोटा मतलब नन ऑफ द अबव, हाँ ध्यान रखिएगा। सो चलिए none, 10 minutes times are left students, huh? Okay, so cow has dash on intelligence, her once eats theirs.
Her.
What will be?
Her.
Please mute yourself, sound is coming somewhere of some music and someone teaching like that. Okay, cow has her. Who is saying her first? Her will be there. Yes, Roshan Kumar Sahu, are you there only to listen and not to speak anything?
Sorry, it's
Eats. Okay. Yes, Rohit Uram.
Sir, it's
Eats. Oh, yes, now it's really true one is that it will be eats. ध्यान रखिएगा, it will be eats, not her. अब यहाँ पर हम लोग her कभी नहीं यूज कर सकते। One more. One should do his duty. Now, option his, her, once, their, past.
Sir, there.
once.
Somebody is saying one, somebody is saying there. Anybody more? I will go with third. थर्ड में आप लोग जो भी बोलोगे मैं उसके साथ जाने वाला हूँ। Yes, tell me past.
Sir, there.
हाँ?
Sir, there.
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 It was Sawan Kachhap. Yes, yes. Okay, stop it now. There is wrong. Remember, in pronoun only you will find one thing that is different. If subject is one, it will be once only. Remember
Sure.
it. If the subject is one, it will be once only. You cannot stand with any more. Okay, now let's see the next thing, students. Next thing, I just want to check you all because you have done this one already in your previous class. So no important of going again and again, but sometimes we should just get revision of all that thing. So I am getting you revision of all. Simple. You and I are doing some dash work. Okay, the option is, जिनका आंसर सबसे पहले आएगा मैं सिर्फ उन्हीं का आंसर सुनने वाला हूँ।
His.
Hour.
His.
Sir, my.
चलिए, okay.
Sir, our.
Our. Sir, our.
Good. Stop it now. Your, his, my, and our. So now, students, this is wrong. This one is correct.
Yes, sir.
Many times I had told you. Many times, not 1, 2, 3. Many times. मैंने कहा भी था लास्ट क्लास में भी। क्या? सुनो मेरी बात को फिर से मैं 1 सेकेंड में बता रहा हूँ। Suppose students, this is box. It's a supposing thing. I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. I had told you, and I had also made a relation, na? Father, elder brother, self means मैं खुद. मैंने कहा था कि सोच लीजिए अगर ये तीनों बैठे हैं एक लाइन में. By relating, we are going to join students. You and I. You is what? Elder brother. I is father. If elder brother and father is sitting somewhere, who will be respected first? Simple. Who will be respected first? Father.
Father.
Then elder brother. Now the same thing. Remember, they are two. They are two. They are not one. They are two. Means they are plural. तो फर्स्ट पर्सन का प्लूरल कौन है? वी. तो वी का एडजेक्टिव क्या होगा? Remember these things. Suppose if somewhere written you and he, who are sitting? Who two are sitting? Elder brother and me. Simple, elder brother and me. Who two are sitting there? So who will be respected first? So of course elder brother. So elder brother's plural form is you only. So what will be? Yours. Understood? Doubt? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Good. Good, very good. So it will be all the possessive case, students. All about this. These are the possessive case. Now, students, I hope a few minutes are left in your account, and after that one, we will see the next adjective, next part of adjective. But before that, if we can continue, remember, students, adjective is a total form of determiners that we are going and we are taking away today. And even that point, actually with possessive case I have completed today now. And then the next one is left there is demonstrative and interrogative. Two are left, demonstrative and interrogative. See. Demonstrative adjective. Again, demonstrative pronoun if you have done, adjective will be easier. So demonstrative pronoun and adjective, what is that? Demonstrative word means these.
So these, that, those.
Good. This, these, that, those, and one is such. See, so all of these are I have taught you. Just I will ask some questions because it already been taught. See, students, sentence A and B. You just tell me what is adjective. This pen is new. This is a new pen. Adjective which one?
Second one.
Second one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आप मैंने अभी क्या कहा कि कभी कभी सोच कर बोलना चाहिए. Which topic we are learning? Demonstrative. So demonstrative पढ़ रहे हैं तो आप लोग यहाँ क्यों देख रहे हैं? Demonstrative का मतलब this को देखिए ना. This pen. There is noun and this is demonstrative. This one is right. This one is wrong. Okay. Pay your attention, bachcha. Let's see now. Okay, no problem. We are going with the next example. I don't like such things. Such are not good things. First,
Second, B.
B is right. Okay. Anybody else? B किसने कहा था भाई? Tell me your name, please. Time नहीं है, fast.
Sir, Piyush Kumar Mehta.
Piyush Kumar Mehta. Did you analyze it first in your mind? आपने analyze किया उसको? No. without analyzing you told. I have told you this time few minutes before I told you. आप सिर्फ देखते हो ना, आपने अभी यहाँ देखा कि कौन सा है जो फॉलो कर रहा है. पहले तो आपको पता होना चाहिए in this sentence. Now second one again is wrong, first one is right. Why? See, I don't like such things. Such is here adjective word and this is noun followed by noun. See, there is such followed by none of the words, none of the nouns. So how this one is adjective? Keep this in your mind first. Follow the words carefully. Analyze it first. मैंने क्या कहा ना, पहले इन चीजों को analyze करिए, समझिए. If you are doing all these things, your adjective will be clear. So demonstrative is all about these things, students. None of more about this one is there. Okay. Now the next thing is